In this question, we have to solve the equation. To start, we know that square root of 5 is same as 5 to the power of half. So we can rewrite this as 5 to the power of half into, for the second term, we can expand it to get 5 to the power of 2k minus 2. And we know that 1 is same as 5 to the power of 0. We also know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So simplifying the left hand side, we can rewrite it as, now because the bases are same, we can equate the powers. Solving the equation for k, we get in this question, we need to solve for x. Looking at the left hand side, we know that 49 is same as 7 squared. So we can rewrite this as simplifying more, we get, we can rewrite the right hand side as, now because the bases are same, we can equate the powers. And solving for x, we get in this problem, we have to solve for k. Looking at the left hand side of the equation, we see that root 5 is common to all the terms. So I will factor it out. We get, now simplifying each of the terms inside the brackets, root 5 to the power of 8 is same as 5 to the power of 4, which is equal to 625, minus root 5 to the power of 6 is same as 5 cube, which is same as 125. Root 5 to the power of 4 equals 5 squared, which is 25. And root 5 squared is same as 5. Simplifying the expression inside, we get 625 into root 5 equal to 5 to the power of k. Because 625 is equal to 5 to the power of 4 and root 5 is equal to 5 to the power of half, we get k equal to 4.5. In this question, we have to express the expression in terms of y. To do this, let's write the expression in terms of power of 3. So we get 3 cube whole to the power of 2x plus 4 by 3 plus 3 squared whole to the power of 3 minus 2x. Simplifying, we get 3 to the power of 6x can be written as 3 to the power of 2x whole cube. In the same way, 3 to the power of 4x can be written as 3 to the power of 2x whole squared. Replacing 3 to the power of 2x with y, we get 81y cube plus 729 by y squared, which is our answer. In this question, we have to find the product of these two terms. To start off, let a to the power of 1 by 3 equal to x and b to the power of 2 by 3 equal to y. Substituting these, the numbers we have to multiply are x plus y and x squared minus xy plus y squared. Expanding this, we get x cube minus x squared y plus xy squared plus x squared y minus xy squared plus y cube. So the x squared y's cancel out and the xy squares also cancel out, leaving us with x cube plus y cube. Replacing back into the equation, we get a to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube plus b to the power of 2 by 3 whole cube equal to, which is the same thing as a plus b squared. In this question, we have to solve the equation for x. Looking at the right hand side, we know that 576 is same as 24 squared, which can be written as 3 squared into 8 squared, which can also be written as 3 squared into 2 to the 6th. Now, comparing this to the left hand side, we get that 3 squared is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. Because the bases are same, we can equate the powers, leaving us with x equal to 1. You can also check with the other term. 4 to the power of x plus 2 is same as 2 to the power of 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 4 equal to 6, leaves us with x equal to 1. In this question, we are given that 2 to the power of y is 5 and 3 to the power of y is 13. We have to find the value of 12 to the power of y. We know that 12 to the power of y is the same thing as 3 to the power of y into 4 to the power of y, which can also be written as 3 to the power of y into 2 to the power of y into 2 to the power of y. Substituting, we get 13 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 325. In this question, we have to simplify this expression. To do this, let's first write everything in powers of 3. So, 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 2 into 3 to the power of 2x over 3 to the power of x. This is same as 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 2 into 3 to the power of 2x. This is same as 3 to the power of 2x into 3 minus 3 to the power of 2x into 2 over 3 to the power of x. Now the numerator can be written as 3 to the power of 2x. The denominator is 3 to the power of x. Simplifying this, we get 3 to the power of x, which is our answer. In this question, we have to solve the equation for x. Looking at the first term on the right hand side, we can rewrite 4 to the power of x plus 1 as 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. We can now split the terms into 2 to the power of 2x into 4. And now we can rewrite 2 to the power of 2x as 2 to the power of x whole squared. Now let's get all the terms to the left hand side. Now this looks like a quadratic equation. To make it easier, let 2 to the power of x equal to m. So replacing in the equation, we get 4m squared plus 3m minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will solve the equation using the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, This is same as minus 3 plus or minus 5 by 8. So m will be equal to minus 1 or 1 by 4. Because m is equal to 2 to the power of x, we get 2 to the power of x equal to minus 1 or 2 to the power of x equal to 1 by 4. Because 2 to the power of any number cannot be negative, this solution does not work. So this is the only solution. Now in this equation, 1 by 4 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 2. So 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of minus 2, leaving x as minus 2, which is our answer. In this problem, we have to solve the simultaneous equations for the values of x and y. So looking at the first equation, let's get everything in powers of 2. We will get 2 to the power of 2x plus y is equal to 2 to the power of 11 minus 4y. Because the bases are same, we will get that 2x plus y is equal to 11 minus 4y, and that 2x plus 5y equal to 11. This is our first equation. The second equation now, we can just multiply these two terms to get 5 to the power of 2x minus 6y equal to 1, which is 5 to the power of 0. So our second equation is 2x minus 6y is equal to 0. Now solving these equations by the elimination method, we can subtract these two equations. The 2x's cancel out, leaving us with 11y equal to 11 and y equal to 1, which is our answer. For x, we just replace this value of y in the first equation. So we get 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. Solving the equation, we get x equal to 3. So the answer is 3 and 1. Again, in this question, we have to solve the simultaneous equations. Looking at the first equation, we'll get everything into base 7. So 7 to the power of 2m plus 4n will be equal to 7 to the power of minus 1. Because the bases are same, we can equate the powers to get our first equation, that's 2m plus 4n equal to minus 1. For the second equation, 4 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of 2m, and dividing that by 2 to the power of n, we get 2 to the power of 2m minus n, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So our second equation is 2m minus n is equal to 4. Equating these, we can subtract the equations to eliminate 2m. We get 5n equal to minus 5 and n equal to minus 1. Replacing in the first equation, we get 2m minus 4 equal to minus 1. We will get 2m equal to 3 and m equal to 1.5. So our answers are 1.5 and minus 1. For this question, we need to show that 3 to the power of n plus 3 plus 3 to the power of n minus 9 into 3 to the power of n minus 1 is a multiple of 5 for all positive integers of n. Whenever I have something like this, I would always like to convert everything into the same base. So we get 3 to the power of n plus 3 plus 3 to the power of n minus 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of n minus 1. This last term can also be written as 3 to the power of n plus 1. So this is equal to now looking at this, we can see that 3 to the power of n is common among all the three terms. So we can factor it out, leaving us with 3 to the power of 3 or 27 plus 1 minus 3 to the power of 1 or 3. Simplifying this, we get 3 to the power of n into 25. Now, because 25 is a multiple of 5 and you multiply any number to a multiple of 5, that number will have to be a multiple of 5. So, hence, this number is always a multiple of 5. In this question, we have to use this fact to evaluate 10 to the power of x. First, let's write everything with the basis of prime powers. We will get 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 into 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x into 5 to the power of 2x. Now, let's split up the terms in the right hand side. We get 2 to the power of 2x into 4 into 5 to the power of x over 5. Now, let's get all the like terms to one side by dividing by 2 to the power of 2x into 5 to the power of x. We get 4 by 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x into 5 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of 2x into 5 to the power of x. Simplifying the right hand side, we get 2 to the power of x into 5 to the power of x, which is same as 10 to the power of x. So 10 to the power of x is equal to 4 by 5.